Hello, this is Aaron, and today in this video, I'm unboxing the LG K92 5G.
This is the cheapest 5G phone on Cricket Wireless.
I got it at a really good discount. By the time this video is uploaded, it won't be around, and it'll go back to full price. But yeah, the box does look a bit different, obviously, because I taped on the side a manual, because I'm not showing the IMEI number and the serial numbers and stuff because of privacy concerns.
So here's the front of the box. There's the side of the box. There's the other side of the box. Then there's the bottom of the box. Here are some quick specs we have on the bottom. So here is the spec sheet for the LG K92 5G. You could pause this and read this if you'd like. But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Yeah, here's some information. We got a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 1080p display. I don't know the aspect ratio. It's either...
So the aspect ratio turns out to be 20:9, not 19:9.
Octa-core processor and 5G speeds. 64 megapixel main camera, wide 5 megapixel, which I don't know, mixed feelings about. 2 megapixel macro and depth, and a 16 megapixel front camera. Selfies are amazing on this thing. The fingerprint scanner on the side of the phone, and this has 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. So Cricket did change their box design up. Compared to previous Cricket phones that had a box like this that would open, this phone does not. It opens more of like an iPhone box. How you have to shuffle the box. Let's unbox this phone. So let's break the seal. Oh, it's already been broken for activation. But anyways, let's unbox. It would say welcome to Cricket. I already have been using it. Yeah, this is the phone here. 5.7, not 5.7. Excuse me, 6.7-inch display. Look at this. This looks amazing. 4 cameras, the 64 megapixel one is obvious. That flash is huge. Let's put it aside and let's see what else we get. We got our quick start instructions, our SIM card tray ejecting tool, which looks different than before. We got our USB-C cable. Nice. This is Cricket's cheapest 5G phone, like I said before. And this is the best LG phone you can get on Cricket. I like the fact that it doesn't have a MediaTek chip. I might be a bit biased, but I don't like MediaTek. But anyways, we got fast charging here. Here's the specifications on it. So let's put it aside. So yeah, this is a big phone. It's a phablet, a true phablet. They considered phones like the S5 in 2014 a phablet, but no, this thing really is a phablet. So let's get my second biggest phone here. My old phone. My Samsung Galaxy A11. This phone gives me like LG G5 vibes. Not LG G5. LG G7. This is my A11. You can see the size comparison. Here's my LG Harmony first generation. And here's my iPhone 4S. Oh yeah, forgot. My iPhone 7 that I was using before this. I was using both of these phones. I kept switching. But yeah. That phone's amazing. So here's the iPhone 7 and the LG K92 5G. Hold on a minute. Let me go to my home screen for a minute. There we go. Here's my A11. Here's the Harmony, which doesn't power on. The battery's flat. And here's my 4S, which the battery's flat too. Look at this. That is impressive. Like, technology's one up. Oh, by the way, the flash is like over here, which is a bit odd, but nice. So this phone's nice. I just got it, and I don't want to ruin it, so I got this nice Cricut case, which has flat edges, which remind me of the iPhone 12. Ignore my notifications. But yeah, this phone is impressive. Wow. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video. Goodbye.